I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, I know in the last video that I showed you all maybe a few weeks ago that I said the next shoe was going to be in this box. Alright? But I got something that I think I want to show you all first. I got a different pair that I think I want to show this shoe to you first before we get into that one. So let's go ahead and bring this box out, man. A little something different that maybe a lot of you haven't really seen. Maybe a lot of you haven't paid attention to. So let's go ahead and bring this box in. Boom. Jumpman box. Alright. Boom. Jumpman, what does it say? Jumpman 00023. That's what it says over there. Or on this side. Boom. I'm not sure what these numbers are. 45. Some other numbers there. I don't know what those all represent. But these are the Jordan MA2. Alright. Colorway white, chili red, black. Alright, there's a little bit of blue in there. These retail for $125. Alright, not a bad price. Not a bad price at all. And I got these in a size 13. Alright, now, the reason that I got these in a 13, because normally I wear a 14 in most Jordans. The reason that I got these in a 13 is because lately I've been feeling like a 14 is too big. In pretty much all shoes, except for Pumas. Pumas feel right. Pumas feel right at 14. But Adidas, Nike, Jordan, they're starting to feel a little big in a 14. So, you know, I said, let me get these in a 13 and see how they are. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into them, man. Of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Left shoe first, baby. Woo. Woo. That Jordan MA2. Alright. Yes, sir. Now you can probably look at these and you can probably tell instantly these are not made for performance purposes. These are a straight up lifestyle shoe. These are not for you to go running. These are not for you to be hooping in. These are a lifestyle shoe. In fact, the promotion of this shoe, the ads, this shoe is said to be the shoe that you leave by the door. This is the shoe that you leave by the door for when you run an errand. You go and you grab this shoe. Alright, very dope. This is how they are advertising this shoe. Get the paper out of there. Boom. I just saw it and something about it was, you know, it caught my eye. It's like very, very attractive to me when I saw this design. I said that looks comfortable. That looks very comfortable to me. I want to try that out. Alright, now as you can probably see, we got some good suede going up and down here. Alright, nice suede. That is some really good soft nappy suede right there. And also going around here. That's that suede right there. That gray is that suede. Now, when there were two colorways that released last week. One was this one with the hits of the blue and that chili red. I call this pink. To me, that's pink, but chili red, right? And then there was one that was all gray and kind of had this yellow on it. And I went to go for those. But they sold out. I was going back and forth to say, which one do you want? I like both colors. I like both colorways. Which one do you go for? And I said, after a little bit of back and forth, I said, I'm going to go with the yellow ones instead. And they were sold out. But you all know me. Y'all know that blue is my favorite color. So I ain't mad about having these. But if you see on that back there, hopefully the camera shows it. On the back here, it says foot to foot eject. Right around there, foot to foot eject. What does that mean? All right, I'll show you. Let me bring out the right boy. Bring out the right boy. Right shoe second. All right, now bring out the right boy. Now say you're wearing them. All right, say you're wearing these shoes. You got them on, right? And you go to take them off. What does foot to foot ejection mean? That means this: how you kick your shoe off with one foot and you take the other one off, slide your foot out, and you take the other foot and you slide it out, boom. That's what that foot to foot ejection means. That's why there's this kind of grippy feeling on the back of this shoe. It's advising you to take your shoes off the lazy way that you normally shouldn't do on your other shoes. They made a spot for you to be lazy on the back of these shoes and kick them off in the back there. That's what that's for. Now, on the back here, there's a grip pattern here. Some of these areas that's on the back that's gripped are raised so that it makes a 2-3. It makes a 2-3 on the back there. Certain ones are raised. This one, the left shoe is the 2. Right shoe has the 3 on the back of it. I hope you all can see that. I hope the camera is picking that up. But there are certain ones that are raised to make a 2-3. All right, now let's get the right boy up out of here. But let's look at some more of these details. I think there's a lot. On the tongue, you have your red Nike Air right there. And then here at the top of the tongue, it has your 2-3. Has your 2-3. You know, some of that pull tab has a pull tab here. It almost covers this front pull tab here. But very nice. Very nice. There's a side tab here with some more of those numbers. Jordan, look like SP210023 Airbag 200. I believe these comes from the Air Max 2. Yep, the Air Max 200. It looks like the Air Max 200 Air unit. It says Air 200 there. I never had a pair of those shoes, but I'm assuming that's where that's from. That's a pretty big Air unit too. Definitely don't think you would want to run in these. All right, but Sport DNA is what it says there. 20 psi. And then there's a Jumpman on the other end of it. All right, yellow, blue, and then the red Jumpman. All right, there's little hits of yellow on the eyelets there. That suede is luxurious, man. It's that nappy right there. That's that nappy. All right, as I showed you on the bottom, black Jumpman there. Mostly pure white. You got your yellow hit there. Clear Air unit there. Man, that nappiness, it just goes around the back. That's that nappy. That's that Napster right there. All right. Now you open it up, and I hope I can show you this. Open it up on the inside. There's more of that writing going along there. There's a Jumpman in there. Jumpman 0023, inspired by greatness, designed for flight. All right. And it also has your size sticker on the inside there. All right. Pretty dope shoe, man. Definitely one that I feel like would be great for comfort. Did I mention that there is some leather? This white that goes around a little bit, just a little bit of it. That's leather. And the same here. Starting here, going down, that's that leather. I want to say the toe box area is like a neoprene. It's kind of that soft, almost like the same material that is on the tongue here. So that's a little bit of a different material. Soft, kind of quilted material going up the side there and on the inside here. All right, but you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. All right, here we are on feet. Here we are on feet. All right. Excuse my baggy sweatpants. Excuse that. I know some of you are like, why are your pants so big, man? Using my workout sweatpants. You know what I mean? My bad. My bad. I ain't out here styling and profiling. All right, but let's give you a little bit of size reference. All right. That is my big toe. You scoot back a little bit so y'all can see. That is the tip of my big toe right there. I have just a little bit of room, but to me, these fit perfect in a 13. A 14 would be too big for this shoe. This would be way too big. So I'm glad, especially with these softer materials, I'm glad that I went down to a 13. So yeah, these fit perfect to me. These feel good. These feel good. Definitely. I unlaced the left and tied it up a little bit. The right, I just slid right on. I wanted to get that full feeling of just slide the shoe on, just like they're talking about. Hey, I gotta run to the store. Let me just slide these on. Very nice, very nice. Look at the air unit. Look at that air unit. Boom. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. And let's go ahead and get that take it off. Let's get some of that take it off action like they advise. Boom, you see that? Boom, taking it off. Let me put it back on. Let me put it back on. Put it sliding right back in. See how quick? Slide it back on. All right, I'm about to go home. I'm home. But take these off. Hold on. I'm home. Let me take these bad boys off. Hit the back. Boom. Slide him on up out of there. All right, let me put it back on. Let me put it back on. Easy. Easy. Woo. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. You know, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Definitely a nice shoe. A very comfortable shoe. Very comfortable shoe. I took a risk. I went down in size. And I feel like that risk paid off. I like these. I could see myself wearing these just around for comfort. Something quick to throw on. You know what I mean? And from what I gather, there's a lot more colorways coming. I saw one pair that kind of resembled this colorway. So I'm anxious to see that. Of course, it's not this, but it looked kind of like this colorway. So I'm anxious to see that. But overall, I think these are a nice shoe. And they're cheap. They're cheap. They have nice materials on there. And I don't, you know, for a Jordan shoe, just for casual wear, I don't think you can go wrong with this. Nice cushion on the inside where your heel and Achilles are going to be. Soft tongue. Can't go wrong. So I would recommend the Jordan MA2 for sure. Gets my vote, gets my recommendation. All right, nice spring and summertime, you know, comfortable shoe. All right, but anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.